Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a rounded ball gown using these two items on Dress to Impress. So yes, you'll need to be a trendsetter to get this one, and you're going to need it. I'm going to color it this light green. You can color it any color you want. Then to make it a little bit more round, you're going to put this on. And you're going to color it like, I guess, similar colors to your dress. I'm just going to make it like this though. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, the ball gown looks a little bit more rounded in this area. I know it looks weird when you move around because the motion is different, but when you stand still, it's going to give you this beautiful round ball gown. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!